Are you tired of being stuck without attachments when you go offline? Enable downloads in Gmail offline mode in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through the exact settings to turn on attachment downloads. Just follow these simple steps. Start by navigating to the Gmail homepage. Click on the gear icon at the top right corner to open Gmail settings. Then, click on See All Settings to open the full settings menu. Now, click on Offline at the top bar to access offline settings. Locate the Sync Settings section. Then, click on Download Attachments to check the checkbox and enable attachment downloads. Finally, click on Save Changes to apply your settings. That's it. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.